Alrighty, what is up, guys? Evanaldo here. Wanted to give you an update on what I've been doing and some TA in the market. So, basically, the latest I've been doing in the Discord is went long on Bitcoin. That got stopped out in profit. Then went short on Bitcoin. That short is still in. That was one from 2 days ago. Didn't do anything today. Just didn't see a good opportunity to market. It's a little conflicting today, so just kind of patiently waiting for it. And then there's some swing shorts I have in as well. So let's get into the analysis here. So. ETH looks really bad. Let's start at Bitcoin. I mean, the main thing we want to look at on Bitcoin. I mean, the 9 day, you got the double yellow X's. You're printing this yellow X. This confirms in 7 days. Obviously, a lot could change in a week, so may not necessarily confirm. But the last time we had the pattern of double X's, I mean, this market has looked more similar to 2013, the 2013 bull run. Obviously, bullish sign compared to that, but yellow X's in general, typically, other than some of the things on the high time frames that happened in 2015, do turn out to be very bearish. So that could be your trap there if you're looking at that. I wouldn't give that too much credibility in terms of the bottom. It could be the bottom, but I'm not seeing it just yet. I'm not seeing the evidence to support it just yet. I think with the NASDAQ and S&P 500 are going to have another leg down at least, and I think Bitcoin's going to have another leg down at least. Right now, you got your 3 week on Bitcoin printing the green dot. That's probably more your bullish case. And the thing with this is, obviously, every time we had our deep anchor wave on the 3 week, you came up. This, like we're seeing on Ethereum right now, you're printing a red dot right after a confirmed Ethereum. Ethereum's a little bit ahead of the game, so that could be. And it wasn't like it's not like this where it was months later on the way up. No, it's right after on Ethereum, so that's a little concerning here. I don't know. This could roll over. This could absolutely confirm to roll over for the first time. We got to be careful with that. I know the bulls are not going to like me saying that, but we got to be objective. We got to be objective. We got to look at the macro scale. We got to look at everything going on, and yeah, that's just how it is. Some of these time frames right here, like your 2 week, easily looking like you could roll over there. That money flow as well, curving downward, and your 10 day here curving downward. It's already confirmed on Ethereum. Ethereum's been ahead of the game, but VWAP curving downward while the money flow is coming out. Not the best look. Also, you could probably see the same thing on the 12 day here. I don't like this because money flow getting close to zero line while the VWAP getting close to zero line. That could be a bloodbath. Kind of just like it was a amazing rally up here. Could be kind of the opposite there, or it could just be if it's kind of like this. I mean, this wouldn't be awful. Subtract your black swan there, but that was down 36%. That's nothing too crazy. 36%. That would be the case for right around your 400 weekly moving average. I think very close to it at 13.3 there. Where is the 400 weekly moving average? That is at 13.3. Wow, that is interesting how it coincides with that. I've been talking about this area for a while. I think there's a pretty good probability that could be our bottom for the cycle. Now, looking at more, what's going to happen in the more short term, a little bit conflicting on Bitcoin, a little bit hard to say for Bitcoin. Yeah, I'll give you that. I mean, this looks pretty bullish. You've been in the red for a while here in the 2 day, and you've been sideways for months. I mean, something is going to happen here. You're not going to be within 17K to 25K forever. Although some may, and there's some smart people I know that do think we could be a little coil up for another month or two, big bull and bear fight, and then finally break out one way or the other. This was crazy because this was like a 2 month period of just, it's 10% here. The volatility was not much at all. That's just 10%, like 13% the most, just up and down. It is possible. Do I think that's going to happen that long? It doesn't seem likely, but maybe. Who knows? But it seems like the most likely scenario is we come down with the NASDAQ and S&P 500. That could happen relatively soon. We're getting a double bounce on those right now. I was looking into the other night in one of my live streams, kind of how it was compared to 08 and 01. The bounce was not sustained. That bounce, it seems like we just came right back down. So I think you could just roll over. Could be wrong, obviously, anything could happen, but it does seem like you could just roll over. Now, what I'm looking at right now for both Bitcoin and Ethereum as a potential short is the money flow crossover on the green right here in the hourly, and definitely this spider line right here. This is going to be a big point, 19.8. That's where I'm looking at. Being patient with the market right now. I already got the short in. I could definitely add to that short risk-free, and where I might do that is, on the 15 crossing over to the red. 10-minute we're already seeing it, but now you're back in the green, so, or just hitting off at this point. Could set a limit order there. It would be a risk-free trade. Just remember to set your stop loss and new entry point. Not financial advice as always, though. Moving on to Ethereum, which I do think ultimately looks at least a little bit worse here. Like I said earlier, I'm not going to spend a crazy amount of time on it, but your 3 week, you're already printing a red dot right after the green dot, kind of canceling it out. Historically, red dots here have, except for that one, but every red, the red dot, the only other red dot we had after it confirmed, well, this was a black swan, so hard to compare there, but yeah, it looks like it's kind of canceling out this green dot, so that is a cause for concern. It's showing it's like we're not having the strength here to have a rally just yet. We're just not having the strength. That's what it's showing us. And if you look at the other time frames that I like a lot, like the 10-day confirmed, red dot here, while money flow is coming out, that's definitely not a good look in my opinion. If we look at the 9-day, essentially the same thing. And what I really want to show you guys, this is very bearish, the 9-day, because you got the money flow crossover and the VWAP coming down there. And I think it's going to be more than just I think it's going to be a lot worse than just a 20% correction. That's what I would say. And, Bitcoin going to 13K, this could go right around to 500, 600, these areas. That would make a lot of sense, and that would be a pretty convincing bottom for both of them if it does happen. September is a bad month. We're almost into October now, and yeah, we're September 29th now. Time flies, we're almost there, so October could be bloody, or we have a little bit of relief in October, then November is the real bloodbath. If you look at kind of the, in terms of looking at where money flow on the weekly was, when we bottomed out last time, let's see, you got about another month. So another month from now, end of October, early November could be a bottom. It could just be a pretty nice little bleed for the next month. Maybe October is the major bloodbath. So that is that possibility. And bullish case right now, 2-day don't look half bad on Bitcoin or Ethereum. Some good curvature, green dots. Daily, I don't like how this looks really, because we got money flow coming out. I feel like this VWAP just wants to curve back down. And right here, is this a bullish? I don't even know what this is. Let's see. No, not a bullish div, but from here, from that one, yeah, that would definitely be a bullish div. I don't know if I'd give it much credence. A little weird there. Money flow, I don't know, not getting much out of that. Some decent curvature in your 4-hour. So yeah, it's why I've been hesitant to pull the trigger on anything. I've been kind of just waiting. This hourly, I feel like, because we confirmed a blood diamond here under 16 hours. So I feel like it could be lagging a little bit, and then it'll play out. Good place to look for it to start to play out as when your hourly curves into the red. Same deal with kind of the 30-minute that's been choppy. Nothing really happened there lately. Or your 15-minute coming downward. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for. It's be patient here. I would say be patient. It's not the most decisive market at the moment, but it will become decisive. On the macro, it's pretty decisive for bearish, but short term, a little tough to say. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Please check out my link to ByBit down below. I negotiated a really, really good promo for you guys. If you already have an account, you can create a new one. Get the bonus. You do not have to trade or deposit with very much money to get the bonus. I think you guys will like it. Also, check out my Discord on October 1st because you will get double charged if you sign up right now. I've had a lot of good trades in there lately. September has been an amazing month so far in the Discord. Not every month is as good as September, but it has been a really good month. obviously not right at 100% of the time. Keep that in mind as well before you sign up. And yeah, that should be it, guys. Check out my course, link in the description below if you're interested. A lot of people really liked it. And by the way, guys, I'm going to Twitch on October 1st, so I believe that's 2 or 3 more days where we're starting the live streams on Twitch. The normal videos will still be on YouTube, so please follow my Twitch. I'll link it in the description below. It should be the second link down below, so you get notified when we do the live streams. I think it's going to be a better a lot more fun. There's a lot more features there that I really like, so I think it's going to be a good time. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, please subscribe to the channel. All right, have a good one. Goodbye.